Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my Boxycharm Premium. That's where we're going to go next in my box parade. I still have a lot of boxes to get through, so we're going next to the Boxycharm Premium for February. So let's get into it. I am so out of touch with everything that came in February that it's all a surprise for me. So I cannot wait to see what is in here. I judged based on, I could see a little bit of the blue underneath. I think this is the Boxycharm Premium. It is. And we have our card on top. And, ooh, that's all my goodies. I can tell one bottle right on top because I personally buy the Korres product, so I know the Korres bottle. One never knows what you're going to get from Boxycharm anymore because they do so many variations. It is unbelievable how many variations they do. So let's look and see what I received. I got Boxycharm Variation 22, and it's down in the corner. And that is what this month's paperwork looks like. And it is so pretty. So it's Boxycharm Allure. And then we have, and the inside has everything that I received, and I can tell that the very first thing is actually the thing that I chose. In case you don't know, the Boxycharm Premium is the $35 product from Boxycharm. Every month you can get, with one account, you can have multiple accounts, but you can get 2 boxes, either the base and the premium, or on Lux months, you can get the Lux and the premium. So this month is a base and premium month. Next month is a Lux month. Whenever you get the Lux, you don't get the base on the same account. And a lot of people do have more than one account. I haven't done that yet. I've tried to keep myself to one account, but we'll see how long it lasts. So this is the $35 box. The base box is a $25 box and the Lux is $50. And as you go up in price, you get more products and supposedly better products, but we'll see, because while I don't know what I received this month, and I tried to stay out of it as much as I could when I was on vacation, I did see that there was a little bit of drama, and I can see that right on top, I have the product that was the question of the drama. And it says 24 karat gold foil moisturizer by Fashom, and it is still wrapped up in plastic. And my instinct is, knowing that I'm not going to use this because of all of the drama, just to leave it packaged up. But having read about it, I'm even a little, I don't want to put it in a giveaway. I guess I'll just set it aside, and when the first person selects the giveaway, I'll see if they would like me to include this in it. But what it apparently is, well, let me read you the paperwork and then we'll talk about it. If you haven't already heard the drama, I'll keep it really short. So the paperwork says this 24 karat gold foil moisturizing cream helps dry areas disappear without leaving behind a greasy residue. Its unique formula helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while firming, tightening, and locking moisture into the skin. And it has a $100 valuation. Okay. So a lot of people, including Elizabeth Wolf, who is like so knowledgeable on all things Boxycharm, she went out looking for this product. And long story, very short, this brand doesn't really exist. It's like it's a fake brand that somebody bought products from someone else, relabeled them, and resold them as this brand. The rumor on the street is they purchased these products for $1.70 and then reboxed them and sold them. And Boxycharm is one of the people who bought them. And a lot of people have been using it, and a lot of people have been having adverse reactions to it. Skin breaking out. I've heard about burning skin. Too many things that I don't even want to open it, put it on me anywhere. I don't want to assume anyone out there wants it. Like I said, I'll set it aside, and if whoever wins the giveaway would like to try it, I am happy to send it along, but I don't know whether Boxycharm got duped. Who knows? Who knows what the story is? But I don't think this is something I want to use or pass along without someone saying, yes, I would like that. So we will set that aside, and we will hope that everyone has learned from their mistakes. Okay, moving right on to the positive. This is a Korres Citrus Guava Body Butter. I love the Korres body butters. I have used so many of these. I don't think I've ever used the citrus guava. I have used the regular guava, and it is so moisturizing. I like it so much. This says that it is a $32 value, which is true. Although if you buy them in packs, you can get them for a little less on HSN. This rich and luxurious body butter deeply softens, smooths, and nourishes the skin. Our Shea Butter Moisturizer is the perfect lotion for dry skin, helping to improve elasticity and smoothness. So let's see what this smells like. It is sealed. Yay. We love it when they're sealed. So how are you guys doing? I'm so glad to be back into boxes. I saw that whole drama about that 24 karat thing and I was like, I am so glad to be removed from this while it plays out. It's just a really thick, creamy lotion. Oh, I just got on my nose. It smells fantastic. It smells really fresh and citrusy. You know, sometimes guava things can smell a little musky. I do not smell the musk in this. It smells so, and now my hands are so soft. I love this Korres body butter. All right, let's move into the next product, which, is a Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultrafine Mist. And that is what it looks like. And people love this. I know my girl Jeannie over at Get This Glowing loves this. I want to open the box, but I will tell you that I read the ingredients and there was something in it that I can't use. Licorice root extract. And I can't use it because I am allergic to licorice. But I want to show you, I'll just open the box and show you what it looks like. How cute is this? That is so nice. And you just shake it up and everybody seems to love it. I am so sad I can't use it because of the licorice root. But I'm not even going to spray it since I can't use it. What I'm going to do is put it right back in its box. So we're going to add it to this giveaway, giveaway B, because we already have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Moisturizer and Sleepy Mask over there. So we will also add the Ultrafine Mist to that giveaway. That's going to be an awesome Glow Recipe giveaway. Okay, next I have the Tarte Base Tape Double Duty Beauty Hydrating Primer. That sounds really cool. It is as I open it, I can tell you that the back says it is 12-hour hydration, coconut infused. It smooths your appearance and extends the wear of foundation. And that is what it looks like. It is just a white lotion in there. Let's see how thick it is. Ooh, it's not super thick. You know, you guys know I love, as when it comes to primers, I love my Touch and Soul. So that is what that looks like. And you can see it's not super thick. It feels really nice. It's got good slip. That I just saw, that you just saw in the back of my hand, I could probably do 2 people's faces with. Let's just smooth that into the back of that hand. We'll give it a minute and we'll compare and see how it does while we read the paperwork. And the paperwork says, Double Duty Beauty Base Tape Hydrating Primer. Prep yourself before you perfect yourself. Turn up the base with this oh, that's right. Oh, that was cute. With this vegan coconut priming serum that hydrates your skin for 12 hours. This rich yet lightweight makeup magnet is infused with a blend of coconut and botanicals to help nourish and smooth the skin's appearance. I love how I just smeared that all over myself without even seeing what was in it. Oh my goodness, though. I'm going to show you this and hope that it comes across how smooth and moisturized this hand looks versus this hand. I hope that comes across because in real life, that is fantastic. And good news, I just took a minute and read the back and I can use it, so yay. Okay, and next, and I heard about this and I am so excited. It is the Ambient Hourglass Lightning Blush. Let's see if I got a color I can use. It's called, Diffused Heat. That makes me a little nervous because when I think, I guess when you think heat, you think red. I don't know. Let's get in here and see. Because there was a lot of nice pinky red ones, but there were a couple very orangey ones. Oh, this is nice. It's a little peachy, but I think I can use it. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. I love the Hourglass products. Let's see, do I have a brush over here? Oh, I've moved my brushes. I'm gonna go grab a brush that's usually in that drawer right there. We need to try. Okay, I'm back and I got a nice SLS Miss Glam. How cute is that brush? I love it. So let's get in here. It's real solid. I love the feel. I use the Hourglass. Actually, that's what I use for highlighter. I love their products. Oh, it's pretty. It's a little warm and I am at my tannest. Yeah, so I made the joke the other day that, I mean, it's true. We went to Florida and I got a little tan, but nobody can tell. It's very sad. I think that this will be really pretty for summer. You probably can't even see that I just put it on, but I like it a lot. Yay! That is a great addition to the Boxy Premium. I love the Hourglass products. Let's see what this says. Ambient Lighting Blush. Discover a new way to blush. This groundbreaking hybrid combines the customized lighting effects of ambient lighting powder, which is what I use and love, with a spectrum of breathtakingly modern hues. The result is seamless, soft focus, and multi-dimensional color, and it has a $40 value. I believe that, but that is pricey blush. I do like it though. Okay, and last but not least, and this was my choice for the month, I chose the Picante, the Carity Picante eyeshadow palette. I know. It looked very warm. I wish I could remember to tell you why I chose this, what the other product was. But I feel like the other product was something I couldn't use. And I remember looking at this and thinking my daughter might like it. So let's get in here and see what we've got. It's a huge palette. It's really big. I mean, it's a big palette. Oh, it's very pretty. Crazy warm. It is so warm. That is what it looks like. There's a lot of yellowishes and orangey kind of colors. This bottom row has a nice shading of pinks and purples in it. But the mattes, that's where it is. I could probably make the foils and the shimmers work for me, but the mattes are so warm. But again, that is what that looks like. It is so pretty. I'm not going to swatch this, guys, because I may pass this along. I am actually doing my giveaway, these giveaways, for my 4K giveaway. I have gone over 500 on Insta, and I'm thinking about putting together a giveaway for that and making it international. So it needs to be like drier products. So I'm going to go ahead and set this aside. Okay, but let me tell you what the paperwork says about it. The Carity Picante palette has a $29 value. Spice up your life. We've hand-selected 21 perfectly pigmented shades in multiple finishes that are as warm as a summer night. That is true. Packed with hot, fiery shades sure to create endless looks, perfect for day to night. So it is very nice, but it is a very, very warm palette. So that is my Boxy Premium for February. I think it was a very nice box for $35. Let's see, what was my total value? The value of this box is $259. I think they promised more than $200 with the premium. $259, but let us bear in mind the drama we talked about at the beginning, where this had a $100 value. And there's a lot on the internet that says it was a $1.70 product. So if we take that out, we have $159 worth of product, which is not the promised value, but it's good stuff. The Picante palette is gorgeous. It's just a little warm for me, but I chose it, so I knew what I was doing. The Hourglass blush, that is a fantastic addition as far as I'm concerned to Boxycharm. This Tarte primer, I will absolutely try that. I mean, I know I love my Touch and Soul, but I will for sure try that. We have this for the giveaway. This is a great product. I just happen to not be able to use it because of the licorice. They have started putting licorice in so many products, and I'm so mad about it. Okay, and we have this nice Korres body butter, which I will for sure use. I use a lot of moisturizers, and I love the Korres products. Oh, and yeah, that primer left the back of my hand, this hand versus this one, I don't know if you can tell. It is shiny and I love the way it looks. That primer has a lot of promise. Even if you take away the $100 for the questionable product, and feel free to go out and check out if there's more drama about it if you haven't heard about it. I'm sure there are people that have gone to way more detail than I'm going to go into. But that was a good box, I think. So let me know below what you think. Actually, for our extra entry, let's do something different, since that, you know what, everything in here, there was a lot of warmth and sun. So if you can, put a sun emoji below for an extra entry into the giveaway. If by chance your emojis don't work or you're not using, if you're on a computer, just write the word sun somewhere in your comment. And we'll do that for an extra entry into the giveaway. Thank you so much for being here, guys. I really appreciate. I'm so glad to be opening up these February boxes and get to play with all of these goodies. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Have a great evening, guys. Bye.